Hi, you guys have been learning a lot about reflections, rotations, and translations. Do you know why I have FL nice and bold, T nice and bold, SL nice and bold? Because you can describe a reflection as a flip, a rotation as a turn, and a translation as a slide. I will either reflect, rotate, or translate triangle ABC. Look at me carefully and then decide exactly what I have performed. Okay, I'm going to choose green. I want my angles to match up. How many of you have already determined what I'm doing? 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this should be blue. I need to make that blue. Let me change it. Oh, snap. First, I have to erase it. I'm actually happy I'm making this little coloring mistake because you may experience the same thing yourself. Okay, so, and let me make my pen nice and small and thin so I can connect. Hey, it's not perfect, but you can see what it is. So would you say this is a reflection or a flip, a rotation or a turn, or a translation or a slide? Which one? You're right, it's obviously a flip. This triangle simply flipped or reflected. Great. Is it a reflection across the x-axis or the y-axis? Perfect. It is absolutely a reflection across the x-axis. This is my x-axis, as I can see. And this triangle flipped over the x-axis. All right, one more. Let me erase what I have. So once again, I want you to determine, oh Lord, have mercy. I want you to determine if I am making a reflection, a rotation, or a translation. Are you ready? Thank you for your patience. When I say reflect, you say flip. When I say rotate, you say turn. When I say translate, you say slide. Okay, look carefully. I am going to translate, rotate, or reflect. So we're starting with blue. Do you know what I'm doing? Some of you are making a guess. I can hear you even though you're just thinking it. So, did I rotate, reflect, or translate? What do you think? That's right, I translated or slide. Do you see how this is a perfect slide? It's not being flipped, it's not being turned, it's simply sliding. Do you see how it looks exactly the same, except for it's sliding over? Did I slide it up, down, to the right, or to the left? Perfect. I slid it to the left. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Why is it important that they slide exactly the same amount? Right, so the triangle is the same shape. Are you ready to do some work? Fantastic.